Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading The Pros and the Cons of Being a Frog by Sue deGennaro. Please enjoy. The Pros and the Cons of Being a Frog. Camellie and I are quite different. Maybe that's why I like her so much. Camellie loves math so much that some days she only talks in numbers. So far, I've worked out that 23 is yes, and 17 is no. And when she starts singing her 6 times tables, I know it's time for a snack. When I first met Camellie, I was dressed as a cat. Dobie would bark at me the whole way to school and the whole way back home again. It was more attention than I wanted. After watching Dobie chase me day in and day out for exactly 11 days, Camellie called me over and whispered in my ear, "I suggest I try another animal." Finding the right animal for me wasn't easy. It was Camellie who finally gave me the idea of, what do you think? What kind of animal she's going to be? Any of you know? A frog. Frogs are not solitary creatures. I decided I needed a friend. Camellie agreed to help. At first we worked together well. Camellie did the measuring and I did the sewing. But putting together her costume was taking a little longer than expected. Camellie started singing her 6 times table. I was getting confused with the measurements. Camellie just wouldn't stand still. She sang her 6 time table louder and louder. Suddenly and without thinking, I shouted, "Stop wiggling!" Camellie picked up her bag and her stopwatch and went home. Without Camellie, I felt alone. I decided to write a list. The pros and cons being a frog. Pros. My best friend Camille gave me the idea. I'm less likely to be chased by a dog. Being a frog costume makes me feel brave. Cons. Not everyone loves wearing a frog costume as much as I do. If you start getting bossy about your frog costume, then your friend will give up and leave. A frog is not a solitary creature. It's now no fun for a frog if his friend gives up and leaves, or gets up and leaves. I went to find Camille and say sorry. Everywhere I looked, all I could see was numbers, but no Camille. Just as I was about to give up, I heard a sound coming towards me. Flip-flop, flip-flop, flip-flop. I'm sorry, I said. Camille and I are quite different. That's why I like her so much. Well, I guess they made friends after all, huh? And I guess she found her. What if you was chased by a dog? Would you have your friend dress you up as a frog? Let me know with a thumbs up if you would be in a frog costume. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Share it. If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr.Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one, and take care. And thanks for watching.